I'm already bored of my hair. Because unfortunately, my brain cannot enjoy something for longer than 2 weeks. Like, I need a constant dopamine hit in order to live a normal life. So, therefore, we are going to cut my hair again today. Also, I have to say, my last haircut, even though it was definitely not the best thing I've ever done in my life, I feel like it actually doesn't even look that bad right now. Yes, I have a couple of tiny layers over here, but overall, it's not that bad. But yeah, I'm already bored with it. It's just, I don't know. Because I feel like it's actually like a pretty cool hairstyle. But for some reason, I just don't like it at all. What is wrong with me? I don't know. But that's okay, because I do love cutting my hair. Also, I have actually amazing news for all of you. Let me grab it. Let me grab the amazing thing. I bought professional hair cutting scissors! Oh my god, look! Look, how nice. Listen to the sound. Oh, it sounds amazing. It sounds so satisfying. It sounds so sharp. It sounds like it's really not gonna ruin my hair this time. Damn, that's sharp, brother. You gotta be careful with these bad boys. So, let's go to the hair salon. Heyo! I have my beautiful scissors over here. Bing, bing, bing. I also have my beautiful hair. I'm gonna be honest. My hair actually looks pretty healthy right now. Look how shiny and beautiful. Oh. Anyways, we are still gonna cut it off. We all know that I'm not the best at cutting my own hair, okay? That's not a secret. So therefore, we shall ask Pablo what to do. No, just kidding. Therefore, I'm going to follow a YouTube tutorial. I saw multiple tutorials on how to cut a mullet, but I found one that is, I mean, pretty easy to follow. I think it didn't look that hard, so I'm gonna try to follow that, and then hopefully it's gonna be okay. Hopefully it's gonna work out. Also, I got, wait, I have scissors, and I got like a nice comb. Look. So I can make like sections, and then like cut it, and then like, isn't that gorgeous? Okay, the tutorial is by the YouTube channel called Hair Tutorials, which is pretty straightforward, so that's good. It is the wolf cut mullet hair tutorial, and we shall try that today. So let's see what Chris Munt has to say.
I've started by simply sectioning the head block into 3 sections, from the crown down to the top of the ear, everything going forward. Then a triangular section just from the occipital bone to the middle of the ear, and then everything below the occipital bone.
Step numero uno, sectioning the hair up in 3 sections. Let's see if I got this. And like make this shorter. Seems hectic, but okay, we're just gonna try it. Okay, hair grows back, it's fine. So first things first, gotta wet the hair. He has the section. I feel like over here is like too far away. No, I'm just gonna do it here. I'm just not even. I just started and I'm already not listening to him. Oh my god, this feels like so much hair. Okay, my sections are done, and let's see what Chris has to say now.
First section is going to be from the crown coming towards the front hairline, and this is going to be our guide. Now you could, if you wanted to, already sort of establish a length of a fringe that you wanted in the front. The
thing with me, wait, let me just get this out, because I've watched a bunch of like mullet tutorials, and the layers are kind of like depending on how short the bangs are, but I already have like super short bangs. So does that mean that I need to do super short layers at the top? Because this is tiny, okay? Do I need to cut all of this off in order for it to work? Because that is freaking me out! Maybe I can just keep it longer at first and then we'll see afterwards.
Pull this to the length that we want to establish. Now I want it very short at the front, so I'm going to be angling my fingers from long to short. So at the crown it will be longer, the fringe it will be shorter. And I'm going to be point cutting. Again, you could club cut, you could razor. It's entirely up to you, but I'm just going to do my point cutting.
I am a little bit nervous for what I'm about to do. It took me so long to get to this length. And I'm gonna ruin... No, I'm not gonna ruin it. Okay, we're gonna manifest an amazing haircut, okay? We're not gonna ruin it. We're gonna do our best. It's gonna look amazing because I'm using professional scissors today, okay? It's gonna look amazing. Yes. Go. Let's just do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I can't go back anymore. We now have to continue this journey. Also, those scissors are sharp as fuck, bro. That went so smoothly. But wait, how much did I cut off now? I need to see. That's crazy. But if I'm gonna put it forwards, it's longer than my bangs. And I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to happen. So let's see if we can make it a little bit shorter. Okay, it is ruined already, so let's continue.
Next section is now from this central point. It's going to be diagonal forward section, and I'm going to be over directing it back to my previous section. So in this case it will be over directed back towards the central section, and this is going to give us a little more length and a little bit more softness around the perimeter.
Oh, okay, but isn't that gonna be like super duper short? Because I also don't want this to be too short. It's gonna be like here. It's gonna be literally over here. That's way too short for me. I'm gonna keep this section long at the beginning and then I can just make it shorter if I want to, okay? Because I don't want to have any risks. I'm too old for taking risks now, okay? Wait, why is this layer shorter than the front layer? Did I do that wrong? Okay, it doesn't matter. We're just gonna continue.
Now next section, once again, pivoting from that central point, a forward diagonal. Now this section will be over directed back to our previous, not to the center, but just to the previous section.
Okay, that doesn't seem too hard. So get rid of the center section. And I'm gonna go in from here, down there. I'm just gonna cut this off.
Once again, take a forward diagonal section and over direct it back to the previous. As you can see, we're beginning to build up this softness, but also a tiny bit more length around here.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Does this look like a mullet so far? I would say no, but have I ruined my hair so far? I would also say no. So at least something good is happening. Let me now go on to the other side. Oh my god, I have to get it even. I have to make sure it's symmetrical. How the flip am I going to do that?
So going back Okay, so we both sides now done.
Lol. Okay. You just did the same thing to the other side, so let me do the same thing to the other side as well. Is this even? Oh, I think it is. Fire. I love the feeling of scissors cutting hair. Like, it's so satisfying to me for some reason.
Picking up our length that we established through the front of the haircut. And now again, point cutting.
How the flippity flop am I supposed to do that to myself? You know what I think I'm just gonna do? I'm just gonna wait. I'm just getting all of the sections out. Oh, wait. This is low-key nice. I feel like the layers do have to be shorter though. Let me just dry my hair and then dry cut it. And see if we can make something out of it, because I'm sorry, but I just cannot do what he's doing right now. All the way in the back, like that. That's just too much effort. I should have probably watched the entire video before starting to cut my own hair, but I didn't. I'm sorry, Chris. I have the attention span of a fly, so I did not do that. Let me just blow dry my hair, and then we can see if we can make something out of it. But honestly, so far, it actually low-key. Does it look like a mullet? No. Does it look pretty fire? I would say yes right now. Hey! Okay, look. I don't really know what to do. Oh, here's frame. I don't really know what to do now. I let my hair air dry. It's still a little bit damp, don't get me wrong. But I let it air dry. It's a little bit lighter. No, not lighter. Wait, where are my words? Drier. It is drier right now. And this is what I have so far. And I'm gonna be honest, I am low-key like happy with how it looks right now. I don't know what to do. Also, I still kind of want to have a mullet, but maybe I should just get that done by the hairdresser, because I'm so scared. I'm literally so scared of ruining my hair. Okay, I'm not as like tough as I used to be when it comes to my hair, because now I am actually low-key scared of ruining it, and then I'll be crying for like weeks or months even, and I don't want that. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it for now, for today. And then I'm just gonna check back in tomorrow and see how I feel then. Hey everybody! Okay, this is the next day. I've had some time to think about my hair. Look, it's definitely not the worst haircut I've ever done on myself, but I feel like it's also definitely not the best. Let's ask Pablo. Pablo, what do you think of my haircut? It is kind of, I mean, like I said, it's not even that bad. It's just very bulky because I kind of forgot that I have super thick hair. And then a lot of hairstyles don't really work on my hair. I thought my hair had become like super thin, but it's only the ends that are thin. Like the top is actually still pretty thick. So it's like very bulky now. Also, this is, I don't know. I didn't really do it the right way. So I'm just going to make some little adjustments, but I'm not going to do anything too crazy because maybe it's just like better to go to the hairdresser. I don't know, I just kind of want to do like a full-on mullet on myself, but I'm just too scared at this point. So let me just whip out my scissors again and make it a little bit better. Okay, I'm sitting on the floor because I feel like for some reason I am better at cutting hair when I'm sitting on the floor. So, okay, wait, let me see if I can show you. Ooh, ah, ooh. I'm gonna go like this. Gonna get my thinning scissors. I'm gonna cut that bit. I feel like I should probably also get professional thinning scissors because these aren't that sharp. Okay. Oh! I just cut my finger! What the hell? Oh my god. Oh, it's already better though. Also, yeah, everybody always tells me, every single time I cut my hair, everybody says, you have to cut your hair wet, right? But I swear to God, I hate cutting my hair wet. Because it's just, you can't see what you're doing. Because right now I just cut it, I put it back, and I can see exactly what I did. That's way better. And also, whenever I go to the hairdresser, which obviously isn't a lot, but when I go to the hairdresser, they always cut my hair dry. Because that just works best on my hair type. So from now on, I will not cut my hair wet again. Oh my god. So this is what I have right now. I don't think it's that bad, right? So I'm just going to try to style it. And then I'm back with the end result. Again, I should probably still go to the hairdresser because this is not a mullet at all. Oh my god, don't look at the back of my head. Don't look in the mirror. Anyways, hey! This is the end result of my hair. I just curled it a little bit. So it has a little bit of like texture and like a little bit of volume. Because I feel like that works better with this haircut. Yeah, the back of my head, I don't know about all of that. Does that look good? I haven't even looked at it. Does that look good? No. Yeah, I don't know what I think of it. I'm gonna be honest. I think the haircut itself is pretty okay. I didn't do the worst job in the world, but I'm not really sure like how I think it looks on me, you know? I feel like what I had before looked better on me than what I have now. Which is a problem because I can't go back anymore. So right now I'm just kind of like trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. Like, am I just gonna accept the mistakes that I made and like grow my hair out? Or am I gonna full send it and go to the hairdresser and get like a extreme mullet? Like with really short layers. Like the thing that I was actually going for, but was like too scared to do it myself. Like, should I just do that? Or should I leave it like this? I don't know, because it's kind of a vibe, but also I'm not really sure about it, right? I'm not 100% sure of what I created today. Let me know what you think of my hair. Do you like it? Like, what should I do? Should I just leave it and then grow it out? Or should I just go one step further? Since I already made the beginning, you know? Okay, everybody. Thank you all so much for watching this video. And I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.